4 miles beneath the Argentine Basin, the light doesn't just fade, it dies. But in February 2026, the ROV SuBastian broke through the crushing darkness and found something that should not exist. An entire hidden metropolis built of ivory white coral spanning an area the size of Vatican City. This isn't just a reef, it's a deep sea reset, a glimpse into a world that has remained untouched for thousands of years. But as the camera spanned across the towers of Betalia Coral, a shadow appeared, a creature so rare it's been recorded fewer than 130 times in over a century. A ghost the size of a school bus, drifting through the corridors of this silent city. Today, we are going inside Argentina's alien city to meet the 28th new species that are rewriting the manual of biology. If you thought we knew our own planet, the next 10 minutes are going to change your mind. The discovery of the Batelia Candida Reef changed everything. Scientists found it 370 miles further south than any model predicted, proving that the deep South Atlantic is far more connected than we ever imagined. Living within these limestone skyscrapers are 28 suspected new species creatures, like the weaponized croissant chiton and sea snails that haven't evolved in millions of years. Even the ground here is alive. The team found Argentina's first deep-sea whale fall at nearly 13,000 feet, a single carcass that will feed this ecosystem for the next half century. And then the cameras caught it. Stygiomedusa gigantea, the giant phantom jelly. Its bell is a massive pulsing dome, but it's those 4 ribbon-like arms that steal the show, stretching 33 feet long, billowing like velvet curtains in the abyss. It has no stinging tentacles. It doesn't need them. It uses those massive arms to wrap around its prey in a dark embrace. Seeing it swim past the ROV, the control room in Argentina went completely silent. It wasn't just a sighting, it was a reminder that we are guests in a world owned by giants. What's truly incredible is how these phantoms are shaping our future on the surface. Traditional underwater drones are loud, clunky, and easily detected by sonar. But in late 2025, engineers began looking at the phantom jellyfish for a breakthrough in soft robotics. By mimicking the jelly's vortex propulsion, a method of moving water that leaves almost no wake, scientists have developed a new generation of stealth drones. These ghost drones use flexible gel-like actuators that pulse just like the Stygiomedusa's bell, the phantom jellyfish. This isn't just about stealth, it's about survival. Traditional metal drones will be crushed at these depths, but by using materials that mimic the spongy tissue of the phantom jelly, we can now build machines that actually thrive under pressure. Imagine a search and rescue drone that can squeeze through a coral crevice, or a silent explorer that can map a reef without scaring away a single fish. We aren't just observing these creatures anymore. We are learning how to become like them. This anatomy looks familiar, right? Yes, it's because it shares a haunting similarity with the creature we saw in our last video, the big fin squid. Both the big fin and the phantom jelly have abandoned the typical fast hunter lifestyle for something much more eerie: extreme elongation. Now they use their massive limbs to create a web of death that spans dozens of feet in every direction. Scientists now suspect these two predators are the guardians of an abyssal highway that connects the South Atlantic to the deep Pacific. But then there's a deeper secret. The ROV captured juvenile fish, the Centrolophus, swimming inside the phantom jelly's bell. It's a symbiotic relationship we are only beginning to understand. The jelly provides a moving fortress, and in return, the fish may act as cleaner. It's a level of complex social behavior happening in total darkness, thousands of miles from the nearest human. This connectivity suggests that the deep sea isn't a series of isolated pockets, but a global intelligent network that we are only just starting to ping. But as beautiful as this deep sea research is, it's fragile. Even at 4,000 meters, the ROV SuBastian found human fingerprints, plastic bags, discarded fishing nets, and even a perfectly preserved Korean VHS tape. The durability of our waste is outlasting the species we are only just discovering. This expedition was a race against time, a mission to document the Vatican cities of the ocean before they are accidentally destroyed by deep sea mining or pollution. The abyss is finally talking to us, and the data we gathered in Argentina is just the beginning. If we want to protect the phantom and the big fin, we have to keep looking. If you are ready to join the next expedition and see the raw 4K footage of what we find next, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The deep sea research is happening right now, and you have a front row seat. I'll see you in the dark. Bye.